So this is a video to go over the answers, spiral review number 1, intro to algebra, your first spiral. Just go over some of the answers. It's actually a pretty easy spiral, but I'll go through some of the answers quickly with you. 6 squared, the exponent of course means 2 of them, so 6 squared would be 2 6s, or 36. Now 2 is different than 3. These are ones that some students get wrong. The key to understand is the exponent is telling you to do 2 of the thing directly next to it. In this case, it's saying I want 2 4s, and oh yeah, by the way, bring down that negative. That's why it's 4 times 4, which is 16, and the negative comes with it, it's negative 16. That's totally different than this question, question number 3, which has the negative on the inside. When the negative is on the inside, it's saying I want 2 negative 9s. Which would be negative 9 times negative 9. Now the difference is this one has 2 negatives. A negative times a negative is a positive. But on question number 2, it was saying just 2 4s. And the negative comes down, so it's negative 16. 4 is easy, it's 2 3s. That's 9. This is 3 negative 2, so it's a negative 2, then another negative 2, then another negative 2, which is 4 times negative 2, or negative 8. This is 3 10s, which is not 30. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. This is 4 negative 3s. Now how I would handle this is I would just multiply a negative times a negative is a positive 9. A negative times a negative is a positive 9. And 9 times 9 is 81. And the last one again, 8 is very similar to number 2. It's 2 6s. And oh yeah, by the way, bring down that negative, that's why it's negative 36. Moving down to the bottom half, addition to stars, then it's mostly subtraction, but you guys all know that subtraction is, of course, just keep, change to become addition. These numbers fight, the positives win by a 1. These numbers fight, the negatives win by 4. These numbers work together, that's 40. These numbers fight, the negatives win by 19. This is subtraction, keep, change. Now it's the negatives win by 12. Keep, change, they fight, the negatives win by 20. Keep, change, the negatives win by 3. A lot of negative victories. Keep, change, this time the positives finally win because there's more positives by 18. Keep, change, they work together, negative 16. Keep, change, they work together, negative 29. Keep, change, again, negatives and negatives work together, that's negative 31. If you're making them positive, you're getting your addition, subtraction rules confused with your multiplication and division rules. Keep, change, they work together, negative 16. Keep, change, they work together, 2 positives, that's 28. Keep, change, they fight, this time the positives win by 7. Keep, change, this time the positives win by 19. And then keep, change, this time the negatives win by 33. Pretty straightforward. Addition, subtraction is actually easier than multiplication and division. Speaking of which, the last ones are multiplication and division. These little stars mean multiply. Notice there wasn't a division on here. But 6 times 4 is 24. The signs are different, so it's negative, negative 24. 12 times 3 is 36. The signs are different, so it's negative. It's as easy as that. The signs are different. One positive, one negative. Negative. Different, negative. Different, negative. And then 20 times 6 is 120. The same, positive. 7 times 5, 35. Signs are different, negative. We'll do these one at a time. 5 times 4 is 20, and since the signs are the same, it's not positive. Now 20 times negative 10, which is 200, and since the signs are different, it's negative. It's negative 200. Last one, 9 times 5 is negative 45 times 3. Since the signs are different, it is negative, and then 45 times 3 is 135.